Whew. I am about to finish this run at around 33 kilometers. I was supposed to go to the other end of Vermosa pa bago umuwi. Kaso sinita na ako ng mga guard. Bawal na raw tumakbo. So yeah, 33 kilometers for today. I am dead tired. I am so dehydrated and hungry. For this run, I had to stop 3 times to buy soft drinks, and I had some candy, but that was it. Tatlong cobra, hindi. 2 cobra, isang dilaw, isang green, tas isang royal. That's all I had for this run. Tapos 3 snow bear. Yeah, so I am tired, baby. And yeah, I'm just about to make my way home. Let's freaking go, baby. Praise be unto the Most High. 33 kilometers for today. I'll take it. Let's go.